whatever Tim wants today?
That's you guys.
Yeah, right.
Give me it. No, give me it.
Here you go, Lydia, because it's your birthday. In your birthday suit. Your birthday. Huff and paint.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, Nanny. Some Haley.
Buy me something else. Buy her something. I give her money.
I'm still going on about that. What'd she even buy you?
A printer.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, homeboy.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Dear this yogurt.
Happy birthday, homeboy.
Happy birthday, Pepsi.
Pepsi.
That's an accent.
It's my birthday.